Hey baby, what are you eating? You're eating the lasagna. This was in the freezer.
You put it in the dishwasher when you cook it.
Yeah.
Why you put it in the dishwasher?
So it can cook.
Steak
Steak?
in the dishwasher.
Yeah. Okay, so Nathan wants to cook a steak in the dishwasher. Daddy was just gonna grill it, but apparently I need to put it in the dishwasher.
Why you want to put it in the dishwasher?
Because you told me to. We have a T-bone steak. Okay, well Daddy's gonna wrap this up a few times in some foil and I'm gonna put it in the dishwasher.
You can put that in the dishwasher.
Yeah, maybe we'll sear it on the grill just to get that nice sear. Is that okay?
Now you put it in the dishwasher.
Yeah, we'll put it in the dishwasher. So I wrap my steak about 3 times. We know the dishwasher goes up to 150 degrees and we want the steak at medium rare, which is 135. Oh, I think we can just do the full cycle. I don't think it'll cook it all the way to medium rare. It might still be rare by the time we get it.
How about we put that in the microwave?
In the microwave? No, we're definitely not doing that.
Why?
You're gonna ruin a good piece of meat. This was not planned, by the way. Let's see, normal, high temp. Okay, it's gonna be in there for an hour and a half, Nathan. Thanks to you. You're a little bit hungry. Well, guess what? The steak is done. Pull it down and then step back. It's hot. Let's see if the steak is hot. Oh, that feels hot. I'm gonna just stick it in the steak. Okay. Oh. Changes 133. Well, I'll be darned, Nathan. We have a perfect medium rare steak. I just gotta open the steak. There's some juices. That might be water, so dump that. Medium rare. We'll wipe it just in case.
More steak juice.
Yeah, I'll risk it. That goes in the trash. Okay, this is the last layer.
What is that, everybody? What is that?
That looks like medium rare. Actually, it looks like medium.
Why does it look like medium?
Let's taste it and see. Wow, it really does taste pretty good. You want to sear it on the grill? Yeah, let's go sear it real quick. Alright, come on guys. Alright, so before we grill it, take all this off and pat it dry. You can sear faster. And by this point, the steak is as seasoned as it will get. It's been about a minute. Let's just flip it over. This is already medium rare. Yep. Okay, we're gonna shut this up. This is pretty much done. Okay, well, I think we went from medium rare to medium.
Large rare.
Okay, ready to try it?
It's more difficult.
More different? Yeah, I don't think we needed to grill it. We should have just ate it as is. It was already medium rare. Now medium. But it still tastes okay.
Yeah.
Let's cut a little bit deeper. Oh.
It's very good from the dishwasher. Remove dishes.
It looks pink still on the camera, but in real life, it looks medium well, or maybe even well done. You'll get medium well steaks in the dishwasher,
Yeah.
but it's not gonna look good. You won't have the grill marks or nice seared outside crust or anything.
Yeah, I think you gotta put a little bit more seasoning.
A little bit more seasoning. You like it saltier?
Yeah.
I think it's seasoned pretty well as is.
Yeah. I think I need some more seasoning to do this.
Okay. I'm gonna trust you on that. We'll do it next time, okay?
Yeah.
Next time we'll put more seasoning. Just for you.
So I can make it saltier.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye! Hey, thanks for watching.
Keep watching.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Smell you later.
Smell it right now. Goodbye.